You have the print and PDF icons on every page. You just simply click on the item that you want to you want to download or view. You have a little brief summary of what each document is about, and also if you want the other documents, you just click here for more additional materials, and you have even more Intelligent Bills documents. And I did that because it seems like these documents are a little bit older. They're additional, they're not anything that, they're unlike the main documents here. So I figured let's hide them and only show them to people that are really interested in getting as much materials about Intelligent Bills as possible. So if this isn't enough, if people want more materials, just like you have here, all they have to do is click here for additional materials. It drops down, and there you have it. And then they can close it back up. And this way everything looks nice and clean. Also, you'll notice that I've redone some of the quotes. One of the changes that you wanted me to do was you wanted me to bring more attention to these various quotes that you have on your website from people, and I've done that. For example, again, this is a graphic that you provided, so I'm hoping that you do like the way I've done it this way. You have the name of the person giving the quote and their quote right here in the bubble. So that is another change that I've done. You mentioned in your notes that you did not like the previous average savings by solutions graphic that I had, so I redid it using one of your graphics. Made the text stand out much more, so you can see that here. Also, you wanted me to change speak with a agent to speak with a consultant, so I changed that as well. So you can see, if you look at the website, that all the changes that you wanted were done. I just want to go over and show you some of them. Solutions. Let's go ahead and actually, one of the changes that you wanted me to do is you didn't like how I had the benefits to the referral program and the partner program before. You wanted to bring more emphasis to the referral program benefits. So look at what I've done here. I've added a little animation where the referral program benefits one by one get typed out like a typewriter. So it brings attention to the benefits of the referral program, and this just loops and plays over and over again. And I thought that it adds a nice touch to the page. And again, on your notes, you wanted me to bring a little bit more emphasis to the referral program benefits, so I've done that for you. Also, let us go to the partner program, and I've done the same thing for the partner program as well. You can see here, the partner program, the benefits get typed out one by one, and it just basically will loop and continue typing out the benefits once it's done. And this takes care of what you requested, which is bringing a little bit more emphasis to the benefits, presenting it in a little bit more flashy way. So I just wanted to show you that as well. The questions and answers, one of the things that you wanted me to do with the questions and answers was to inform people that they have to click on the question to get the answer. So I've added this little note here which tells people click on the question for the answer, and when you, for example, click on who is Intelligent Bills, it drops down with the answer, and then when you click on it, it goes away again, and you can just go through one by one and click on each question for the answer. So I wanted to show you that I put this little note here that tells people how this, how this page works and how they can get the answers by clicking on the question. Let's go ahead and go here to the case studies, and I just want to show you a few various pages. Images that you provided I put throughout the pages here, and also one thing that you wanted was you wanted what's called breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs is basically it tells you where you're at all times on a website. So you can see here that this tells you that you're in the case studies page under the media section of your website. And if you go to strategic partners, you'll see that the breadcrumbs changes, and it tells you that you're on the strategic partners page, which is a subsection of alliances. So this is something that you wanted, and I've gone ahead and I've put it here. On the top of each page you have these, and again, this is called breadcrumbs, and I wanted to show that to you on this page because one of the concerns that you had was that the logos were not the same size on this page, and as you can see, I've resized the logos as much as possible. Now with logos you have to be very careful because you can resize and lose the quality of the logo, and I didn't want to adjust the width and length of these logos too much because they are intellectual properties of other companies, and usually companies don't take too kindly to people adjusting the dimensions of their logos, but I've resized them enough to make them pretty much the same size. So, and again, print and PDF icon on every page. You have the breadcrumbs on every page as well. Every page has the Get More Details tab. And also, let's go to the technology partners. Same thing with this page. You wanted me to resize the logos to make them equally, to make them equal in size to each other, and I've gone ahead and I've done that as well for you. And that's pretty much it. I mean, these notes that I'm going to email you, you can go through one by one and you can see that I've done all of them, and then you can go through the website in more detail. I hope this video kind of gave you a rundown of the the broad strokes. You wanted this to this has been changed. The cover has been changed to match the actual document, so this was corrected as well. Previously there was a different cover that didn't actually match the document itself, so I fixed that for you as well. Just go ahead and go through these notes that I've sent you, and you can see they're all done. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email me or call me. I'm looking forward to getting this transferred over to your .com and getting this site public for you so that you can start working with it right away. Let me really quick show you. I want to show you once again the how easy it is to edit the website. Now, if you, for example, will go ahead, and I want to take you to the back panel area. If you go to pages, and this is a custom WordPress platform that I've set up for you. I need to clean all of this up because these are all things that you don't really necessarily need access to. The main component that you need access to is the pages. So for example, you can go to the About Us page, click Edit, and you can start editing it. And this is a very nice feature because it allows you to edit your website and make changes yourself as often as you want, using any computer with internet access. You don't need any third-party software programs or anything like that. So I just wanted to show that to you. The back panel needs to be tidied up, it needs to be finalized, and that's the last step that I do when I transfer it over to the .com. I just kind of wanted to give you a quick glimpse of it. So I'll be emailing your notes over to you, Jose. Go ahead and review the new website, and I'm looking forward to getting it transferred over to the .com. Thank you.